नमस्कार. आज 5 सप्टेंबर शिक्षक दिन. डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन यांचे शिक्षकांप्रती असलेले प्रेम व आदर पाहून भारत सरकारने त्यांचा जन्मदिन हा शिक्षक दिन म्हणून साजरा करण्याचा संकल्प केला. ती परंपरा अजूनही सुरू आहे व भविष्यातही सुरूच राहील. 1962 मध्ये डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन यांनी राष्ट्रपती पदाची शपथ घेतली तेव्हा त्यांचा जन्मदिवस हा शिक्षकांचा गौरव दिन म्हणून साजरा करण्याची इच्छा त्यांनी प्रकट केली होती. देशातील शिक्षकांचा गौरव हाच आपला गौरव असल्याचे त्यांनी यावेळी सांगितले होते. एक उत्कृष्ट प्राध्यापक म्हणून त्यांनी आपल्या कार्यातून स्वतःची साऱ्या जगाला ओळख करून दिली. कुशल व्यक्तिमत्व व इंग्रजी भाषेवर असलेल्या त्यांच्या प्रभुत्वामुळे परदेशातही त्यांची प्रशंसा झाली. ऑक्सफर्ड विद्यापीठातही ते नीतिशास्त्र या विषयाचे प्राध्यापक होते. शिक्षकांना वैदिक काळापासूनच गुरुचे स्थान आहे. त्यांच्या ऋणातून आपण कधीच मुक्त होऊ शकत नाही. आज शिक्षणाचे अवमूल्यन केले जात असल्याचे चित्र समाजात आपल्याला दिसत आहे. तसेच गुरु आणि शिष्य यांच्या संबंधामधील पवित्र भावना लोप पावत चालली आहे. या संबंधामधील पावित्र्य कायम ठेवण्यासाठी व डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन यांच्या स्मृती जागृत ठेवण्यासाठी शिक्षक दिन साजरा केला जातो.
In India, Teachers' Day is observed on September 5th, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a philosopher, scholar, and politician who dedicated his life towards education and the youth of the country. Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day in honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and all the teachers. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on September 5th, 1888 in a middle-class family in Tiruthanni, Tamil Nadu. He was an outstanding student and studied philosophy at Christian College, Madras. Dr. Radhakrishnan taught at various colleges from University of Mysore to University of Calcutta. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India from 13th May 1952 to 12th May 1962. He turned into the second President of India on 14th May 1962. Dr. Radhakrishnan was the first Indian to hold a chair at the University of Oxford, the splendid professor of Eastern Region and Ethics. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian honor in the country, in 1954. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan died on April 16, 1975 in Chennai.
Children must be taught the history of the different nations where they will perceive their uniqueness. They must be taught, even when they are young, the elements of modern science and technology. They must be given glimpses into world literature so that their own minds are sharpened and feelings refined. It is my earnest desire that our children are treated as human beings and not as automata.
नमस्कार. आज 5 सप्टेंबर प्रत्येक शिक्षकाच्या आयुष्यातील सोनेरी क्षणांची आठवण तेवत ठेवणारा हा मौल्यवान दिवस. प्रत्येकाच्या आयुष्याच्या जडणघडणीमध्ये सिंहाचा वाटा उचलणाऱ्या शिक्षकांचे स्मरण करणारा हा महत्त्वपूर्ण दिवस. खरं तर कित्येक वर्षे हा दिवस आमचे लाडके विद्यार्थी उत्साहाने साजरा करून आम्हा शिक्षकांमध्ये आम्ही शिक्षक असल्याचा अभिमान जागृत करतात. परंतु आज कोविड-19 सारख्या जागतिक संकटामुळे संपूर्ण जग त्रस्त असतानासुद्धा शिक्षण विभागाच्या आदेशांचे पालन करीत व शाळेच्या नियोजनबद्ध संकल्पनेतून हा शिक्षक दिन साकारत, तसेच कोरोना विषाणूचा प्रादुर्भाव रोखण्यासाठीच्या सर्व नियमांचे पालन करून आमचे विद्यार्थी आज आपल्या शिक्षकांप्रती आपले ऋण, आपली कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करीत आहेत. ऐकूया त्यांच्याच शब्दात शिक्षकांबद्दलची त्यांची प्रेमळ भावना व शिक्षक भविष्याचे आधारस्तंभ यासंबंधी त्यांचे विचार. धन्यवाद.
Good morning. I feel highly honored to address you all. Respected dignitaries, revered teachers, and my dear friends. A happy Teachers' Day to you all. We celebrate this day to honor our teachers and to show our respect and gratitude towards all that they do for us. Dear friends, 5th September is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the first President of India, who was also a teacher. It was his wish to celebrate his birthday as a Teachers' Day, for he believed that the future of the nation is born out as a product molded by the teacher. Whatever field we point at to, medicine, engineering, business, administrative services, defense system, etc., all have their base in the schools, canopied by the teachings of the teacher. Be it a soldier, a great doctor, a powerful administrator, a successful administrator, or even a shrewd politician, all are born out of the school campus with a teacher as a soul molding machine. If a child is successful as a citizen, then we can assume that the teacher has been successful to the duties given to him or her. But if not, then the arrowhead shoots none but the teacher and a question mark on the duties of the teacher. So, if the nation has to be good, the citizens should learn such lessons from their grassroots level, that is, from their schools and colleges in their formative years. This implies that the teacher has to be extremely outstanding in every aspect: knowledge, speech, communication, patriotism, and over the blemishes of corruption and favoritism. It is from the teachers that the student inculcates the lessons of his future life. Today, the most important fact is the choice of a career, where the teacher plays a vital role. Let me quote an illustration. Take any school in India today. How much can an average teacher save in his 10 years? Maybe a lakh or two. A software engineer in his 10 years, 40 to 50 lakhs at the higher end. How much would not a good one but a shrewd politician save in his 10 years? 400 to 500 crores. Now imagine how much a person wearing a sadhu's chola can earn in his 10 years. A very famous sadhu, a spiritual leader, his 10 years savings were 12,000 crores only. Another spiritual leader, his 10 years savings were 40,000 crores only. Choose your career carefully, Baba. You know, छोड़ो घर बार, चलो हरिद्वार. Of course, hook or crook. Today earning matters. Whichever way you get it, earning matters. Jokes apart, but let me draw your attention to a very important fact, that is, the guidance for the choice of a career. Dear teachers, we have great expectations from you. Help us to make the right choice. We love it when you get any compliment, a smile, appreciation from you teachers. The memory gets engraved on our minds and remains there forever. You know, there is a difference between the appreciation that we get from our parents and that which we get from you teachers. Parents appreciate all and sundry in a child, but the real appreciation for our worth comes from you teachers. We are naughty. Change our naughtiness into something constructive. We are active. Channelize our activity. Make us players. We are power packed with energy. Help us to use it positively. We are wary. Guide us. Turn our potentials into something fruitful. We may wavered. We may fall prey to vices. Awaken us. Open up the secrets of the world to us. After all, the future generation needs a mold. You be that mold to shape us. Whether we succeed or not, I would say 80% of the share goes to you and the remaining 20% to our parents. Today, a child is hardly under the care of his parents. He spends more hours with his teacher. So the effect on the child relates more to the teachers. As I stand on the decisive phase of my life and career, dear teachers, you are the messengers to show us the gleams of a better India. Do it, and the whole world will look upon you as a light to follow. Make us, mold us, light us, and lighten us into real human beings. Let there be your children in every field of the life, to uplift the downtrodden, to feed the mouths of the hungry, to stop corruption, to stop female infanticide. Let there be your children in the entire defense system of India, in the every aircraft that flies in the sky, every ship that traverses the oceans, and every soldier that defends this border. It be from our institute, molded by my teachers. This is my dream, dear teachers. Can you make it a reality for me? This is a challenge to you teachers. I expect a definite yes from you. Are you ready for it? Thank you.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. नमस्कार, माझे नाव श्रावणी कारवेकर. मी इयत्ता 9वी अ मध्ये शिकते. आज 5 सप्टेंबर आपल्या भारत देशात शिक्षण दिन हा मोठ्या उत्साहात साजरा केला जातो. या दिनी आपल्या भारताचे दुसरे राष्ट्रपती डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण यांचा जन्मदिन. डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण हे थोर तत्त्वज्ञ, महान लेखक तसेच आदर्श शिक्षक होते. त्यांनी शिक्षण क्षेत्रासाठी मोठे बहुमूल्य असे कार्य केले होते. त्यांच्या या कार्याला मानवंदना देण्यासाठी त्यांच्या जन्मदिनी म्हणजेच 5 सप्टेंबर 1962 पासून शिक्षण दिन हा साजरा केला जातो. मित्रहो, ज्याप्रमाणे कुंभार मातीच्या गोळ्याला आकार देऊन एक सुबकसे मडके बनवतो, त्याचप्रमाणे शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्यांना संस्काररूपी उत्तम व परिपूर्ण असे बनवण्याचे कार्य करतो. शिक्षक हे आपल्या भविष्याची शिदोरी असते. शिक्षक आपल्या येणाऱ्या आयुष्यातील अनेक वातावरणांवर विद्यार्थ्यांना उपयोगी पडतात. माझ्याकडून सर्व माझ्या गुरुजनांना माझे वंदन व आज शिक्षक दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
Respected Principal, beloved teachers and dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today, I, Stephiros Peter Montero from Standard 10C, would like to share with you my thoughts about teachers, the pillar of tomorrow. Teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of their students. Right from kindergarten to university, they are the one who impart knowledge and teach us about everything important. They also teach us about ethical values and imbibe in our moral values. Thus, we can say teachers shape our personality in something very strong and wonderful. There are only a few people in our lives who impact our world, and teachers are definitely one of them. They assume the role of an educator, a caregiver for their students. Sometimes they also become our friends and help us with personal problems. Teachers also decide the fate of the nation as the youth is in their hands. When the youth is educated, naturally the future of the country will be in safe hands. In India, we even celebrate Teachers' Day to honor them on 5th of September every year. The role of a teacher is very challenging and equally important. It is their responsibility to impart the correct knowledge and in the right manner. A teacher is a good organizer. They have to organize various activities that takes place in school throughout the year. Also supervise a lot of tasks and activities in school. They are responsible for maintaining the discipline of students. Thus, it is fair to say that our teachers are the ones who make this world a better place. They are mentor, parent, a friend, and more, which makes all the difference in one's life. Thank you.
नमस्कार. आज 5 सप्टेंबर डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन यांचा जन्मदिवस आपल्या पूर्ण देशभरात शिक्षक दिन म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. त्यानिमित्ताने आयोजित केलेल्या आजच्या या कार्यक्रमात मी सिद्धी बापूसाहेब कुंदे तुमच्यासमोर शिक्षक भविष्याचे आधारस्तंभ या विषयावर माझे मनोगत व्यक्त करणार आहे. गुरुने दिला ज्ञानरूपी वस्ता, आम्ही चालवतो पुढे वारसा. या उक्तीप्रमाणेच शिक्षकांनी शिकवलेल्या पायवाटेवरच विद्यार्थी चालत असतात. पुरातन काळापासूनच आपल्या शिक्षण पद्धतीत शिक्षकांना अनन्यसाधारण महत्त्व आहे. शिक्षक हा आपल्या जीवनाचा अविभाज्य घटक असतो. लहान मूल शाळेत जायला लागल्यापासून ते शिक्षण पूर्ण करून स्वतःच्या पायावर उभे राहीपर्यंत शिक्षक पावलापावलांवर आधारस्तंभाचं काम करतात. जसं घरात आई मुलाला चालायला बोलायला शिकवते, तसेच शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्यांना त्यांच्यातील सुप्त कला गुणांना वाव द्यायला शिकवतात. शिक्षक हा एक उत्तम मार्गदर्शक व आधारस्तंभ असतो. असं म्हटलं जातं की टीचर इज बेस्ट पर्सनॅलिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. खऱ्या अर्थाने शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्यांना जीवनाची नाव कशी चालवायची हे शिकवत असतात. शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्यांना स्वनिर्मितीचा आनंद मिळवून देणारे असतात. आपल्याकडे शिक्षण घेणारा विद्यार्थी काय होऊ शकतो याची जाणीव आई वडिलांपेक्षा शिक्षकाला जास्त असते. टीचर या शब्दाचे वर्णन असेही करता येईल. टी टॅलेंटेड, ई एज्युकेटेड, ए एडोरेबल, सी चार्मिंग, एच हेल्पफुल, ई एनकरेजिंग, आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. यात व यापेक्षा बरेच काही जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांना आपल्याकडील सर्व ज्ञान देतात. शिक्षक ज्ञान देण्याचे पवित्र कार्य करतात. पिढी घडवण्याचा शिक्षकांचा सिंहाचा वाटा असतो. कलेक्टर, डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर, संशोधक असे व वेगवेगळ्या खात्यातील अधिकारी वर्ग यांना शिक्षकांनीच घडविलेले असते. मी तर असे म्हणेल की शिक्षक जितके चांगले घडवतील तितकेच विद्यार्थी जास्त प्रगल्भ आणि यशस्वी होतो. यशाबरोबरच अपयशाचाही सामना करता यावा यासाठी आपल्या शिक्षण पद्धतीत काही बदल व्हावा अशी मी आशा व्यक्त करते. कारण समाजातील आत्महत्येचे प्रमाण कमी करायचे असेल तर लहानपणापासूनच विद्यार्थ्यांना शिक्षणात ताणतणावाचे समायोजन करता आले तर ते प्रमाण नक्कीच कमी होईल अशी मी आशा व्यक्त करते. शेवटी एकच म्हणेन, शिक्षक हा एक इतिहास आहे जो काल होता, आज आहे व उद्याही राहील. धन्यवाद.
My dear students, teachers and parents, today the 5th September 2020. 5th September is a birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, celebrated as the Teachers' Day. Parents are our first teachers who inculcate values and love in our hearts and in our lives. Teachers are another pillars of our lives who teach us in the school the knowledge of various subjects, mold us with variety of good qualities. In year 1962, this day was marked as a Teachers' Day, which brings about a lot of appreciation for the hard work the teachers put in. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was known for his wonderful works, such as he was a great teacher, an author, and a philosopher. He was known for his comparative studies with religion, comparative studies on Eastern and Western philosophy, and hence he became a great leader of India. He was a president of India too. He loved to teach and hence became a great teacher. He was awarded with various awards such as Nobel Bharat Ratna, Nobel Prize for Peace, and also a Templation Award. My dear friends, a boy from Madras lived in a simple, poor family, battled against the economic condition, yet empowered himself with knowledge and became a great teacher in India and abroad. What do we learn today? We learn to struggle hard and come up in life. Secondly, his belief was teachers should be the best mind in the country. My dear teachers, as you celebrate the Teachers' Day today, let us feel proud to be teachers. We have a noble profession as teaching, and we train and form the young minds of students. Today also, the death anniversary of Mother Teresa of Calcutta, who was a great teacher of poor and marginalized, who served throughout her life for the greater glory of God. Let us today, all as we celebrate this Teachers' Day, let us take a resolution that I will be a great teacher tomorrow. I will be a teacher for myself and I will love to teach the others. Thank you and God bless you. Wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.